Hi there, in this video we will be focusing on creating mobile portrait.
Let's do the mobile. And let's see how that's looking now. So, we are almost done. Everything seems quite okay. We just need to again fix the margins here. So, for the section for the last bit, we want to do 24, 24. For the menu as well, 24, 24, and maybe even for the menu we can make it smaller, 15, 15. Maybe we could have done that here as well. 15, 15, and then don't forget to remove it here because it's not necessary. So we have the hero. These mobiles are already fine just by having it from the previous version. So, but we want to be sure that it's working great everywhere. So let's go from top again. We will check the content. So max width here is now set to 580. I don't think it is necessary to have the max width. Yeah, let's do none. We want to now change the H1 size again, so it's now not going out of the, thanks to the word entrepreneurs. So we want to do it 36, and then yep, that seems okay. The entrepreneurs are killing us. Why is that? I think that's the word. That's the word which is causing the issue. It's fine on 320, which is, I think, the main breakpoints which we need to address. But yeah, let's set up everything else, and then we will see if that's not gonna help the issue which we're experiencing now. So all the fun we provide is again going out of the canvas. Let's check. Oh yeah, this is the issue with the empty columns. Okay, let's figure it out. What is going on here? So we have content none. Content is max width is none. Service is not fixed. This one is fixed height. 3 column span again. We don't need 3 columns here. We have 1. But Webflow still thinks, since we didn't address that before, thinks that this is spanning over 3, even though there is only 1. So this one is spanning over 1. This one will span over 1 as well. This one will span over 1 as well. And this one will span over 1 as well. This is tricky one. Yes, and now it's starting to do the thing which we wanted. So this is looking fine. This is looking also fine. We will need to address this one as well. Vertical line all to the right. No need to have the 20 pixels here. And maybe to all blog posting have some margin from top, and then do a smaller margin here. Blog posts are looking good. Our speakers are insanely big for some reason. And again, we're running into the same issue which we had before, that Webflow thinks we're using 4 columns even though we have 1. We have 1 here. Column list wrapper will have 1. And we don't need 4 columns. We only need 1. Awesome, 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 all good. So now the last thing will be the events, and since we know already how to do this one, we will remove these 3 columns. We will have 1, and we will put 10 pixels row here and align it to the left. And we will have to change this one to align self to left. And same for the bottom collection. And we are close. 36, we will have to do 32 here, 42, 32, 42, 32, 42. We could have though changed this for all of the headings. We probably didn't need to change. We did have to though. We did not. Yeah, let's do it like that. Yes, we changed that for all of the H2s. H2, H2. There is also now a massive gap, which is not necessary. Let's do 20. Maybe we can decrease this as well. 20, 20. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And the last bit, which we want to do, 36, 44. 36, 44. Right, ready to join us yet? Here is the label. We can maybe hero divider deco. We can remove it. And we can also, thanks to that, decrease this spacing to 20. And I think that's nice. Let's do 60, 60. The image is still there, love it. 320, 320 seems to be fine on all of the states. So just to decrease the size here for the image, I guess. It looks fine here, but let's address the 320. So it looks fine everywhere. So we will do this 220 and then minus 60. So that's 1, 4. And that's looking awesome here as well.
Awesome. So that was video 12. In the video 13, we will be focusing on creating a last bit, which is the mobile responsive navigation, and we will be done with the responsive. So see you there.